Wednesday afternoon, everybody. August 23rd, 2017. The week rolls on. We've hit the midway point. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. We hope you're enjoying your day. The day, your day. That's both are appropriate. However you want to enjoy it.
Boy, howdy. Just over a week left in good old Augie Doggy, you know what I mean?
I am really bummed.
Almost the end of it.
You know, the summer just flies by way too fast. No matter which way you look at it, we start off by telling you about what's happening all summer long, and then it's just boom, gone, done.
No, we're about to get into
Everything
the burrs. I mean, right out of, first we had dads and grads, and then we go right into Augie Doggy, and now we're just coming up on the burrs. All the burrs, you know what I mean?
The burrs.
It's about that time of year. September, October, November, December. I mean, it's the burrs.
All the burrs.
Wow.
The burrs are real.
I don't know how I've never put that together, but
a burr, you know what I mean? Ooh, it's cold out there.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think you should get a raise for just that right
Agreed.
there.
You heard it here,
Burr.
folks.
Burrs.
It has been documented.
The burrs. I like it.
You heard.
Andrew, why don't you come up with that?
No, there you go. That's exactly it.
And he's gone.
I got nothing.
Man, well, wow. I feel like I've learned something today, and I want to share now stuff that we want you to learn about today.
Yes,
That's the best transition I could do.
Okay, I like it.
Let's tell you what's coming up on the show today. We have a big announcement from the City of Fitchburg on the solar expansion. We'll tell you about that. Plus, we actually previewed this a little bit earlier in the month of July. Eric Klutmeyer, we're going to bring her back in and explain what these solar projects mean for the community. And then one of our favorite guests from the Fitchburg Chamber, Kate Wicker, stopping by. She's going to tell us about kind of wrapping up the summer and previewing some events. It's still busy, though.
It is.
Mark my words.
Always.
We still have a lot of stuff going on in Fitchburg. So just because the summer is coming to an end doesn't mean the activities are
absolutely not
just ramping up. So we'll tell you what's going on there. And then PB&J, Preston, I pose you this question. What would you do with $700 million?
I don't know.
I expect an answer by the end of the show.
Fantastic.
So you've got all but 20 minutes.
Yeah, I'd probably build myself a biodome. You know what I mean?
Don't tell us now.
One.
Don't tell us now.
Okay, well,
I don't know if you watched The Simpsons, but domes didn't work out in The Simpsons.
That's true.
So keep that in mind.
That's
all I'm saying.
It didn't work out.
All right, let's get you started here on the headlines this afternoon, and we start with, again, this solar investment to 4 municipal rooftops here in the city of Fitchburg. This announcement coming this morning. Fitchburg will be... let me skip down here. Fitchburg Common Council unanimously approved plans to invest in 362 kilowatts solar electricity panels, electric panels that will harness energy from the sun to help power 4 municipal buildings. Those buildings include the West Fire Station, City Hall, Public Works Maintenance Facility Garage. That was all. There you go. That is all of them.
Well,
I was
and
ramping
of course, the LEED Gold certified library. Don't forget them.
So, and again, this is going to house more than 1,000 solar panels by the end of 2017 and generate about 452,000 kilowatt hours of electricity.
Woo-wee! That's electricity.
That's a lot. That is a lot.
It is.
This $580,000 project has estimated payback time of about 9 years, and the city was awarded 2 grants totaling $50,000, $50,617 to be exact, to offset the costs. Art Electric and Convenience Energy, both based in Wisconsin, will install the solar panels. And we're going to keep an eye on this, by the way.
Let's do it. Let's keep our eye on it.
We're going to watch this, and we'll give you more information as it comes out. But that it will be happening here shortly. And again, stay tuned for our next segment as we explore kind of what this means for the city of Fitchburg.
Cool. We'll talk to the experts, right?
Go to the experts.
Awesome. All right, and then just a little different bit of news, a reminder for you, all those folks with brush that is in your yards, there will be another brush collection week coming up here. We're in the midst of it. So get your brush out there on the old curb. Remember, the guidelines are that they can be no longer than 5 feet in length, no wider than 6 inches in diameter for the branches, and then the side that they're chopped off on, have that facing the street. Get them out on your curb as early as possible so folks can come by and pick them up. Boom. That means I'm done.
Fantastic. That means you're done. All right. Well, then, moving on. Fitchburg Fire Rescue and Fitcherona EMS Fitchburg Police Department responding to a car versus building crash yesterday. Take a look here. This happened approximately 1:25 p.m. yesterday here in the city of Fitchburg. Your location was the BP gas station, stop and go, 2932 Fish Hatchery Road. Again, it was a report of a car versus building. When crews arrived, they found a car that had drove into an ice machine, as you can see there. So didn't make it to the building necessarily, but did knock off a pillar.
Hey, ice machine, the real MVP.
Yeah, it is.
In that building. I like it.
Did stop it, yeah. No injuries were reported in this, and we didn't get what the cause of the accident was here at FACTv, but either way, glad there were no injuries.
Yeah, just kind of an odd occurrence, huh?
Yeah. So maybe you saw that when you passed by yesterday. And
there you go.
Yeah.
Shout out to the ice machine. Thank you. All right, let's talk about the Cookbook Club. Hey, I know I'm excited about this. This is says here to join the library's Cookbook Club this month as they focus on homemade snacks. Make and bring your snack to the library along with the cookbook that the recipes came from. We will discuss, we will sample everyone's contribution and discuss the recipes and cookbooks. And the library will provide utensils and beverages. This is going to be tomorrow, August 24th from 11 a.m. to noon at the Fitchburg Public Library. And if you ask me, this is all just a scheme cooked up by Tim to get snacks. I don't know.
Well, what would you bring if you were going to come to this? What's your recipe?
I don't know. My girlfriend just made some wacky brownies out of some bean juice is all I know, so I'd bring that. Hey.
Boy, the way you described it really makes it sound edible.
Hey, it's delicious.
I would bring salsa because that's my thing.
That's good.
That's where I would go to.
I like that too.
Yeah. All right, all you single ladies, single men, if you're single, online dating help is here right now. Fitchburg Senior Center is hosting an online dating class. It's called Online Dating 101 with Mandy Miller. Are you single? Are you interested in finding a significant other or perhaps just a friendship? These days, the options have opened up significantly. Join Mandy Miller on Wednesday, August 23rd. That's tonight, 6:30 p.m. to learn about the ins and outs of online dating. So many sites, so many search options. In this class, you will learn the best sites to use and how to navigate safely in the attempt to find that perfect match. Call to reserve your spot now, 270-4290.
I like this one. I think this is a cool, fun little program.
I do. I hope a lot of people turn out, and I hope they make the connection.
Yeah, me too. I think I like, I think we're past the phase of like online dating used to be kind of like a weird thing to do. It's all the rage now. We're into it. I like it.
We're
Get
into
out there,
it.
Folks. Meet friends.
Get out there. Meet people.
Go. Cool. All right, another little fun thing coming up here is Wisconsin's folk humor. Jokes and anecdotes thrive in Wisconsin.
You're just full of it today.
I'm so full of it. About the misadventures of Native peoples, immigrant and ethnic groups, workers, hunters and fishers, Packer fans, and more. This talk by James P. OLeary, the author of So Ol Says and Lena, or So Ol Says to Lena, Folk Humor in the Upper Midwest, draws on fieldwork with diverse joke tellers from around the state, together with insights into Wisconsin's unique cultural history. So this is going to be brought to you by the Fitchburg Library and the Senior Center. It's going to be on September 14th at 1 p.m. So
and that's Ole says, it's Ole and Lena jokes. Ole says to Lena, not Ole.
Okay.
Ole.
There you go.
Some
Okay.
Norwegian jokes there for you.
Got it.
Would have never guessed. All right, let's wrap up with this last story here. There is now a TSA pre-enrollment center that has opened up near the Madison Airport. This is a great service, by the way. You travel a lot, you probably want to get involved in this. A permanent TSA PreCheck enrollment center has opened up near the airport at 2702 International Lane. The hours are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So enroll in this expedited screening program. You can visit intogo.com for the PreCheck, complete the online application, and schedule an appointment today. Again, this, if you've been to the airport recently, or maybe you haven't, there's a PreCheck line that you can go through. You don't have to take take off your shoes and do all that craziness. You can just show up, pass through the line quickly, and get on your merry way.
Sweet.
Sweet.
That sounds nice.
It really is. It really is. All right. That is your headlines for this nice day out there. It's a little bit cooler out right now. Well, I'm not complaining. Are you?
I like it. Nope, love it.
This is your weather right now,
right.
Preston.
I'm in my element.
We're getting to your season. We really are.
Yeah.
All right, coming up next, we're going to open up the Fitchburg Digest and take a look back with an interview I did with Erica Klutmeyer, Sustainability Specialist, City of Fitchburg, talking about the solar projects. That's next right here on Talking Fitchburg.